Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. A certain dancing group does not receive applicants whose height is less than 5 feet or more than 6 feet. Which of the following inequalities can be used to determine the height h in feet of applicants who are not accepted in the group? Okay, the question says the applications will not be received from the students whose height is less than 5 feet. That is, height cannot be less than 5 feet and also not more than 6 feet. So height cannot be more than 6 feet. H represents a height, then h has to be less than 6 feet, otherwise greater than 5 feet, according to the condition we have over here. Okay, now we have to find the absolute value inequality in the given answer choices, which gives this one as a solution. Actually, when I consider the stuff we have over here, so it is a compound inequality and also it is a conjunction, because we have this solution as single interval, that is 5, 6 open interval. So this is called conjunction. There are two types of compound inequalities. One is conjunction and other one is disjunction. Let me write the stuff over here. For example, if I have a less than x less than b, so we can write this one as a comma b. This is called conjunction. Sometimes I will have x less than a and x greater than b. Now let's mark the two values a and b on the number line. Let's assume a is less than b. Okay, x less than a means like we have to draw a graph like this. X greater than b means I have to take an empty circle. We have to draw a graph like this. So like when I write there is a solution in the interval notation, it will be negative infinity comma a union b comma positive infinity. This is called disjunction. So the above one, this is called conjunction, this is called disjunction. So when I solve an absolute value inequality, when I get conjunction as a solution, then we'll have less than sign over here in the absolute value. We'll have some stuff over here, we'll have less than sign. In case the solution of the absolute value inequality is in a disjunction, this one, then instead of this less than sign, we'll have greater than sign over here. So clearly in our problem, we must have less than sign, because so here we get conjunction from the given information for h. So less than must be there in the given absolute value inequality. So now we can reject answer choice A, B, and D, all the three answer choices, because in all these three answer choices we get greater than sign over here, here, here. Okay, anyways, so can we decide answer choice C is correct? Yeah, answer choice C must be correct. Anyways, we have to make sure, let's do some calculation. Okay, now to get the absolute value inequality, which gives this one as a solution for H, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to get the mid value of 5 and 6. To get the mid value of 5 and 6, what I have to do is, I have to find the average of this 5 and 6. For that, we have to add 5 and 6 and divide by 2. That is 11 by 2. I'm getting 5.5. Let me draw a number line. Okay, here let me take the left side boundary value 5, the right side boundary value 6. 5.5 should be in the middle, it's the exact middle value. Okay, now to get the absolute value inequality, what we have to do is, we have to subtract the middle value from this variable h negative 5.5. Then this stuff should be taken inside the absolute sign. As we have discussed already, we must have less than sign, because here we have conjunction, that is 5 less than h less than 6. So we must take less than sign. Now what values do we have here? For that, we have to find the positive difference between either the left side boundary and the middle value 5 and 5.5. Otherwise, take the positive difference between the middle value and the right side boundary. In both the cases, we'll be getting the same value. Okay, if I find the positive difference between 5 and 5.5, what do I get? 5.5 negative 5, which gives me 0.5. So that should be taken over here. So this is the absolute value inequality, which gives the solution for H over here. So we find this stuff exactly in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.